This is tutorial number 80, and it covers how to make custom view positions within Catia V5. To start off, open up the fishing reel step file, which is located on the DVD. So in the last tutorial, what I did is I showed you how to use the different view positions, and what we're going to do in this one is I'm going to show you how to make your own custom ones. So each part and each part file is always going to come with certain ones, so the front view, the isometric, and whatnot. But what happens if you want to have one view that you always want to come back to? So say with this fishing reel, you want to have a view such as this, and you always want to come back to that view. But you can't click front or isometric, you're never going to get it. So you're going to have to make your own custom view. To do that, go into the views here and click name views. Now you're able to add a view. So let's click add, and now it's going to be camera 1. Click OK, and now you have another view. So if we go back into the named views, if you double click on front, it's going to give you the front view, the back view, the isometric. Now if we go to camera 1, it's going to give us that view that we just locked into. So let's click camera 1, and it brings us back to that view. Let's click OK. Now let's make another one. So let's make a view right here, just like this. Now we'll make this another named view. Click add. This is going to be camera 2. Click OK. Now if we go back here, if we go to camera 1, it's going to give us that view. If we go to camera 2, it's going to give us that zoomed in view. Now if we do the back and the left, the zooming in is going to be what we just did before. So with camera 1, we're at a constant zoom. If we go to the left and back, it's always going to be staying at that zoom. With camera 2, we're able to zoom in. Camera 1 brings us back out into that position. So this allows you to create custom views, and it allows you to always come back to certain views that are important to your part or assembly that you're creating. And that concludes our tutorial on creating custom view positions within Catia V5.